Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we are going to understand AutoGen, a framework that is very useful for thinking about messaging based coordination among AI agents. Yes, messaging based coordination among AI agents. In the previous sessions, we explored role based orchestration through Crew AI and graph based orchestration through LangGraph. Now we move into a different style of coordination altogether. Here, the main idea is not only roles or workflow states. The main idea is interaction through conversation. AutoGen becomes extremely important when agents need to exchange ideas, critique one another, refine responses, and collaborate dynamically. So, this session is about understanding how structured conversation can itself become the basis of orchestration in AI agent systems. Alright, why AutoGen matters? AutoGen matters because not every agent system is best designed as a team chart or a strict process flow. Some tasks improve when multiple agents can exchange ideas, challenge assumptions, and refine outputs through dialogues. In such cases, the interaction itself creates value. That is where AutoGen becomes very useful. It supports coordination through messages, allowing agents to communicate with each other in a very structured but a flexible way. So, if Crew AI helps us think about specialized roles and LangGraph helps us think about control workflow, AutoGen helps us think about collaborative reasoning through conversation. Can we bridge the previous session's learning here clearly? Yes. In the last session, we explored LangGraph and saw how graph-based orchestration supports state, branching, retries, and workflow control. That was very important because many enterprise systems behave like governed processes. But not every problem is mainly about controlling the path of execution. Some problems are more about interaction, reflection, critique, and refinement. In those situations, the most valuable thing is not always a rigid flow. Sometimes it is the quality of the conversation between the agents takes importance. This is exactly where AutoGen comes into picture. It gives us a framework for thinking about agent systems where messaging is central to the coordination. Alright, let's bring in Linda again here. This is where Linda asks a very natural question. She asks, what if agents need to work mainly by talking to each other? That question changes the entire perspective. Samir explains that some tasks become better through dialogue. One agent may propose an answer, another agent may critique it, another may improve it, and a human may step in to guide or approve the process. So, the system is not only moving through a workflow, it is also improving through interaction. This is the key shift that AutoGen represents. The focus is no longer only on the roles or on state progression. The focus is on massive message driven collaboration. What is AutoGen? AutoGen can be understood as a framework for building conversational single agent and multi agent applications. In simple terms, agents in AutoGen can send messages, receive messages, and respond to one another. These agents may use language models, tools, human input, or combinations of all these. What makes this important is that messaging is not treated as a side feature. It is treated as the main coordination mechanism. The framework is also modular, which means that different agents can be composed and connected in different ways depending on the task. So, AutoGen is especially useful when the design depends on the flexible collaboration rather than only predefined execution paths. Alright, what is messaging based orchestration? In the messaging based orchestration, agents coordinate through structured exchange. One agent may generate a draft, another may critique it, a third may review it, a human may review it as well, and we can refine it further. A tool may be called in the middle of the conversation as and when required. So instead of saying that the workflow progresses only through roles or graph edges, we say that the workflow progresses through interaction. This makes the system feel more dynamic and often natural for tasks where multiple perspectives improve quality. So, messaging based orchestration is really about enabling collaborative problem solving through conversation. Okay, where it fits the best? AutoGen fits the best in situations where conversation improves the output. Collaborative reasoning is a strong fit. For example, one agent can analyze a problem while other challenges its assumptions. Research and planning workflows also well within the style it will go ahead because multiple agents can contribute different viewpoints. Brainstorming and iterative refinement are other excellent use cases. In all these use cases and the settings, the back and forth itself helps to produce a better result. The discussions always produce better results. AutoGen is also useful in human in the loop analytical systems where humans may join the loop not just at the end but as part of the collaboration. So the general rule is very simple. If task becomes stronger through dialogue and critique, AutoGen is the default choice and it's definitely going to be helpful. What are all the strengths? One of the biggest strengths of AutoGen is its support for agent to agent communication. It is very valuable for critique, refinement, discussion, and idea improvement. That makes it very useful for knowledge work, research oriented workflows, and planning tasks where the first answer is not always the best answer. Another major strength is flexibility. AutoGen allows different kinds of participants to be combined, say the models, tools, humans, and other agents. That makes the system more composable and adaptable. This means AutoGen is not just about talking agents. It is about designing systems where collaboration itself becomes a source of better reasoning and output quality. Do we have any limitations? Of course, yes. Even though AutoGen is powerful, it comes with limitations. The biggest challenge is that the open-ended conversations can drift if they are not controlled properly. Agents may keep exchanging messages longer than required. That can increase the latency, cost, unpredictability. Messaging alone may also be weaker for tightly governed enterprise workflows where state controls, approvals, and durable checkpoints are very critical. That is why stop conditions, guardrails, and clear boundaries become super essential in messaging based systems. The flexibility is super valuable, no doubt, but the flexibility without discipline can quickly become a problem. So, what is the key lesson? It is conversational freedom is useful, but enterprise architecture still needs control. Let's quickly close with main takeaway. AutoGen is best understood as a messaging based orchestration framework. It is especially strong when agents need to collaborate through dialogue, critique, and iterative refinement. Its real strength lies in flexible coordination and conversational problem solving. That makes it a very good fit for reasoning heavy and discussion oriented tasks. But we must also remember that message driven systems still require guardrails, stop conditions, and governance. And all these are required if they are to work well in enterprise settings. So now we have seen three major orchestration styles: role based through Crew AI, graph based through LangGraph, messaging based through AutoGen. The next step is to move to MCP, where the focus shifts from orchestration style to standardized access to tools and context. With that note, I finish off this session. I request you to subscribe and encourage me. If you have any questions, please go ahead and type it in the chat. I'll be very glad to answer your questions and let's stay connected. Thank you very much. Until I see you again very soon.